On any piece of furniture that has 4 legs, you hope that they all hit the ground at the same time. This one's got a bit of a pitch to it, and it's really easy to fix. This edge and the opposite one hit the ground first. So all I've done here is I've double stick taped a piece of 80 grit sandpaper to a known flat surface. And all I need to do then is move that longer edged leg onto it and make a couple of passes back and forth. That will remove enough material that this will sit perfectly. And then set it back on my flat surface and see if that took the rock out, and we are almost perfect. Now again, because it's rocking this way, it's this edge and the opposite edge are touching first. That was all it took to make that chair sit flat.